Okay, so first what you want to do is you want to open your bottle of glue. It could be any kind of glue. And you want to add in your glue. Do not add in the whole thing because I'll tell you in a bit. So once you add in your glue, you don't want to add a lot like I told you, and yeah. It could be any kind of glue again. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to get a spoon, anything like a mixing tool or anything. You want to get your activator and pour some in your glue. It could be any type of activator that you want to use. And then you want to pour it in your glue, not too much, or else it'll be melted down. Once you're done, you want to get another mixing tool, and then you want to mix until it forms. As you can see, mine didn't form yet, so I'm just going to add a little bit more activator. And then I'll mix it again. As you can see again, I felt it, and it kind of did form, but it was too sticky. So what I did is that I put in a lot more activator, and then I mixed it. Once I was done putting my activator, it was still kind of sticky. As you can see, yeah, it was kind of sticky, so I had to mix it around with my hands to get it so it could feel it, yeah. So I kneaded it a little bit, and it was super sticky, and I didn't know what to do. Got just stuck on my hands, but at the end, it turned out really well, and I'll show you at the end. I'm done with this, so I just kneaded it a little bit. So I did put it back in the bowl because it was just too sticky for me, and it was just a mess. And yeah, I had to take off all of the slime of my hands and put it back into the bowl. It took me a while though. So what I did is I did a little bit more activator because it was super sticky, and then I was mixing it. I really didn't realize I had to use a lot of activator for this, and yeah. And then I just felt it, and it was just perfect. But yeah, but if your slime is like that, that's why you need the glue for something. You need to put a little bit of glue in your slime to make it form, and that's what I did. So that's why you don't pour all of your glue, just in case that happens. And I mixed it. And then I felt it a little bit, and it was totally fine. And yeah, it was really little, and it's okay guys. In another tutorial I'll show you how to make your slime bigger if this video gets 10 likes. And I was kneading it a little bit so it gets the feeling of my hands. And yeah, I just love the slime, even though I used a lot of activator for the slime. and I just loved it. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed me failing. But it wasn't really a fail. It did work at the end. So yeah, I was just needing a little stretching it and see if it was working. And yeah, it did work. It's like a blue color-ish. And yeah, thumbs up and subscribe. Peace, love, subscribe. Bye bye, guys.